Hey, everybody. This is Yaya, Nova Lily Herbals or Conscious Living. So I'm in the garden today and I wanted to show you guys what I did. So my what is it called? My bok choy was starting to bolt, and it's so little, but I know why I was starting to bolt, because the sun lately has been extra hot for some reason for this time of year. So it was already starting to bolt. So what I did was, I pinched off the little flowers and I built a little hut for it. So let me show you. And now it is doing okay. So I just took some stakes and pinned it, and some cheap weed cloth from, I think the Dollar Tree, something like that, or this might be the one from Aldi's, and I staked it up. So now it's not bolting anymore, it's growing. I also have 2 spinach down here. I have some more spinach, but it's still growing, and I have some bok choy here. So I built this little hut for it to shade out the sun so that it doesn't bolt. So there you go. If you're having some issues with your lettuces, your brassicas, cabbage, that type of stuff bolting, just build it some shade, and there you go.